Are you facing a complex business decision? Starting a new project? Or just trying to figure out your next career move? Without a clear strategy, you're just guessing. You need a tool that cuts through the noise and delivers a crystal-clear map of your strategic position. That tool is the SWOT Analysis Matrix. Today, we're doing a deep dive into this free, interactive online tool. We'll show you not only how to identify your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, but more importantly, how to use the matrix to automatically generate powerful, actionable strategies. If you want to move beyond simple brainstorming and start making data-driven decisions, stick with us. The SWOT concept originated in the 1960s at the Stanford Research Institute, famously developed by Albert Humphrey. Its power lies in its simplicity and comprehensive view. What is SWOT? It is a framework used to evaluate an organization, project, or person's competitive position. It organizes all factors into 4 key areas: strengths, S; weaknesses, W; opportunities, O; and threats, T. What is it used for? Its primary purpose is strategic planning. By forcing you to look both internally, strengths and weaknesses, what you control, and externally, opportunities and threats, what is happening in the market, it creates the necessary tension to identify where you should invest, where you should defend, and where you should improve. This interactive tool makes data input straightforward. You simply list your factors in the 4 corresponding quadrants: strengths, internal and helpful, what do you do well? Input these positive attributes that are under your control. Weaknesses, internal and harmful, where do you need improvement? List the negative aspects that you can actively change. Opportunities, external and helpful, what favorable external trends can you exploit? These are factors you cannot control but can capitalize on. Threats, external and harmful, what outside risks could harm your business? These are external factors you cannot control, but must defend against. The real difference between a simple brainstorming session and a powerful strategic analysis is the cross-analysis matrix, often called the TOES matrix. This is where the tool's functionality shines. Once your 4 lists are complete, the tool guides you to combine them to create 4 distinct strategy types. So strategies, strengths, opportunities, this is the Maxi-Maxi strategy. You use your strengths to take maximum advantage of the opportunities. This is an aggressive, offensive strategy. ST strategies, strengths, threats, this is the Maxi-Mini strategy. You use your strengths to minimize or avoid potential threats. This is your strong defensive play. WO strategies, weaknesses, opportunities, this is the Mini-Maxi strategy. You develop strategies to overcome your weaknesses by exploiting an opportunity. This involves internal fixing and reorientation. WT strategies, weaknesses, threats, this is the Mini-Mini strategy. You are forced to develop strategies to minimize both weaknesses and threats. This is the most conservative and defensive strategy, often focused on survival or immediate risk mitigation. By forcing you to formalize these cross-quadrant actions, the tool transforms passive awareness into an active strategy blueprint. After performing your cross-analysis, the tool generates a clean, structured output, summarizing all 4 lists and the resultant strategic actions. This is immediately ready for presentation. Crucially, the tool allows you to export data to an Excel file, XLSX. This is essential for team collaboration, detailed report archival, and further analysis. It ensures your strategic thinking is documented and shareable, moving it from a whiteboard idea to a permanent, trackable plan. The SWOT matrix is the ultimate starting point for any successful strategy. Stop guessing your next move. The link to this free interactive SWOT tool is in the description below. Start defining your competitive future with statistical certainty today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quality and strategic engineering tools.